In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to animate text in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open Effects panel. Under it, go to Titles and drag and drop this text plus effect onto your timeline. Now select your text effect, open Inspector and type the title here. I want to type my channel name and now choose the font. I want to go for this font and set the size you want. So I want to make it like this. And now to animate this text, we need to click on this icon and it will open your text effect into the Fusion page. Now here we need to select our title from here, then click on Inspector and under it we need to right click on our text and then click on Follower. Now we need to go to the Modifiers tab and under it choose the order you want to animate your text. So I want my text to be animated from left to right. So that's why I'm just gonna select this option. But if you want to customize something else, then for that you can choose right to left, inside out, outside in. So all of the customizations can be done from here. I want it to be left to right. So I'll just select that. Now set the delay to 4. Then go to the shadings tab and go to the 20th frame. And here we need to add a opacity keyframe. Then scroll down here and add a offset position keyframe here. Then we need to go to the follow tab again. Then take your frame at the first position. Like you can see, I am on the first frame of my clip. Then we need to scroll down here and change your offset to animate it. So I want it to be animate from bottom. So I'll just place it here so that it will create a slide up animation. And now we need to go to top and change your opacity to 0 from here. And now if I preview my clip here, you can see it will animate from the bottom. And to make it more smoother, we need to enable spline from here. Then check mark this template option so that it will select your all keyframes from your template. Now we need to click on this icon to fit to frame. Then hit Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all of the frames. Then right click here, go to ease and set out cubic to make it smoother. And now if I go back to my edit page and preview the clip, you can see a sleek slide up animation has been created. Now I added a keyframe for my position offset, but if you add a keyframe for your size or rotation, then you can animate your text differently. So you can just play with all of these keyframes and then animate your text according to you. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.